Hi friends, welcome to Naiwik Tech. In this video, I will be showing you the unboxing of iQOO Z11X 5G. It's a 6GB RAM variant. So without wasting any time, let's unbox this phone. The box looks like this. You can see the Z logo on the top. And coming to the back, the price mentioned on the box is 28,999, but you can get it below 26,000 if you club with credit card or any offer. Here you can see the RAM variant, 6GB RAM, 128GB internal storage, and the color is green. You have one more color. So without wasting any time, let's remove this phone from the box. Here is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside, and inside you will get warranty information and paperwork, and you will get a case with the phone. Here is a case, and you will get a type A to type C cable, and you will get a SIM ejector tool. Here is the SIM ejector tool, and with the phone you will get 44 watts fast charger. You can see flash charge 44 watts. Let's keep all these things aside. Let's remove the cover. Here is a green color iQOO Z11X 5G. The back of the phone is plastic. Let's turn it on. Here is the power button. Here you can see iQOO 5G powered by Android. Here you can see Start Origin OS. Click on Start Origin OS and select your location. I am from India, so I have selected India. If you are from different region, select your country and accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. If you want to set up this phone using other device, whether it may be Android or iPhone, you can do that. Or if you want to set up the phone as brand new, simply click on Skip. And if you want, you can connect to the Wi-Fi network. Select to any Wi-Fi network if you have. Otherwise, click on Set in Offline mode. Click on Continue. Enter the date and time if you are setting in the offline mode. Click on Next. If you want, you can set the unlock method. Otherwise, simply click on Skip. Click on More. Click on Skip. It will ask you to access the Google services. Uncheck use location, send usage and diagnostics data, and click on Accept. Click on Disagree, and there are few more options. Uncheck them all. Smart upgrade, auto download packages, global search. Uncheck all those things. These are not needed. Click on Next. You will get some pre-installed apps. Simply uncheck them all and click on Skip, and select the navigation keys or full screen gestures. I always prefer the navigation keys on my new phone. Select the order of navigation. If you are right-handed, select the first option. If you are left-handed, select the second option. Click on Next, and you can see Welcome, enter Origin OS. During the setup process, even though we have unchecked some apps are pre-installed such as Facebook, WhatsApp. Now let's go to the settings and check if there is an update. Click on Settings and scroll down and click on About Phone, and here you can see the model name iQOO Z11X 5G, and this phone is powered by Dimensity 7400 Turbo octa-core processor. And here you can see the phone storage. It is showing 128 and the RAM storage is 6GB. And the main highlight of this phone is the battery capacity. It is 7200 mAh. At the bottom you can see the Android version. Out of the box it is running on Android 16. Connect to the Wi-Fi network. Now you can see that it is connected to the Wi-Fi network. Now let's check if there is an update. Under settings itself you have system update. Click on that and click on do you want to enable smart upgrade. I will click on cancel. Now it is checking for updates. Here you can see that there is a new update available for the phone, 1.04 GB upgrade. It is obtaining the law. Here you can see what you get under this update. Under this new update you will get some system updates, security patches and camera upgrade and network upgrade. If you want, you can simply click on download and install and click on enable. Now go back and this is how the toggles look. Here you can see that, and this is how the notification looks. The phone is upgrading. Okay, now let's look at the physical overview of this phone. This phone has a big display. It has 6.7-inch Full HD plus LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate. And coming to the back, you have the dual camera setup with flash, and at the top you don't have any ports, and on the right side you have the volume rockers up and down and the power button. At the bottom you have the Type-C port for charging and speaker grill. On the left side you have the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray and check if it is a full slot or it's a hybrid SIM slot. Here you can see that you can use 2 SIMs at a time. Since this phone has a big display and a big battery inside, it is little bit heavy compared to other phones. Now let's open the camera and take some sample shots. I am taking the photos in the artificial lighting, so the quality will not be great. Here is the rear camera, and let's take the front facing. You have some filters, none, neutral, classic. I am going with none. Okay. These are the photos I have taken under artificial lighting. The photos are pretty good. I have zoomed the photo, but still you can see the quality. These photos are taken under artificial lighting. I will take few more photos outside and I will show you the quality. These are the photos I have taken outside. You can see the quality is pretty good. You will get a case with this phone. Let's keep the case and see how the phone looks. I will be using this case till I get a new one. Here you can see that there are proper cutouts once you keep the case, and the back looks like this. It has a razor lip, so the lens don't attract scratches. And since I haven't kept the tempered glass, the screen is protected. It has razor lips in the front also, so when you keep upside down like this, it doesn't attract scratches. So overall the phone looks pretty good for the price we are paying. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.